Okay, here my husband is going to make a frame for the board that I've chosen. I think it's 1 meter long, if I'm not mistaken. You can make this in any size that you like. Yeah. So yeah, he's just going to make the frame for my board, and then after that we'll see the finished product. And my husband used to work at a retail store, clothing store actually. These were the boards that were hanging on the windows. I don't know what type of board is this, but it's not a cardboard box board or anything like that, so I don't know how to explain it. It looks like plastic, but it's not plastic. So if you go to any hardware supply store, you'll find different types of boards that are available for you to do this project. I just wanted to put this out there. And here is the end result of the board. It looks so pretty. It looks beautiful. Now coming to these alphabets, I had to use hot glue gun, but I only had 2 sticks left. So I had to think again what I should use for the words that I would put on my board. I had to remove this and start all over again because this was a DIY, so I had to think quickly what I have to do to replace these alphabets with something else. They're beautiful, they came out nice, but the thing is that they couldn't hold because I was out of hot glue gun. So I had to go to Canva and I chose a text. Unfortunately, I thought I inserted the clip here of showing how I got that text from Canva, but I think it's missing. So I'm sorry for that, guys. As you can see here, I'm going to use a double-sided tape as I was out of hot glue gun. I would suggest that when you do this project, you must have a hot glue gun for the flowers to hold as well. And after finding the perfect font, you can send it on your computer if you have a printer. If you don't, you have to go to an internet cafe. So I send them to my desktop on my computer. Then I had to send them to my printer, which is a Canon Jet Ink printer. I used my Canon printer. this is how it looks. Not bad for a DIY. You know, we don't always have money on us, beauties, so we must improvise. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.